Hello everyone, this is your Professor Next Door at nandito naman po tayo for another Prof Next Adventures. So this time, nandito kami sa Alvarez Park Cafe sa Tagalog Fishing Village ng Valenzuela. Makikita nyo dito sa loob, pagkapasok nyo pa lang yung kanilang napakagandang garden na may mga malalaking flower designs and meron ding mga ilaw na sigurado ma-invite kayong pumasok at eventually kumain. Actually, matagal na kami pupunta dito pero para lang magpa-picture, but this is the first time nakakain kami sa Fisherman's Point. So the price range of their food dito, makikita nyo is around 300 to 800 pesos. Depende na lang sa inyo if you want to do it solo or with a group. So while waiting for our food ay nag-ikot-ikot pa ako dito upang kumuha ng videos and then pictures. Very Instagrammable yung kanilang lugar with all the designs, and of course, ang main attraction dito na mapapansin nyo is yung kanilang fishing area. This restaurant is located sa loob ng Tagalog Fishing Village, so talagang expect nyo na napapaligiran nito ng tubig. So napakaganda rin ng lugar. Nung pumunta kami rito is around the weekend, so there are a lot of people dining na nakasabay namin. Of course, dahil maraming kumakain dito, nagisikat na rin tong Alvarez Park Cafe at may mga artista na rin at media personalities na pumunta dito sa kanilang restaurant at kumain. So makikita nyo sila dito sa kanilang gallery. And the restaurant has been featured several times sa TV, so talagang meron ng pangalan itong Alvarez Park Cafe. At lalo pa ito nakatulong upang mas lalo pa makilala yung kanilang restaurant around the area. So ang isa pa magandang attraction dito sa kanilang lugar is yung kanilang park na may merong mga halaman, bulaklak, may mga pailaw din, and of course, ang makikita nyo sa gitna ay ang kanilang fountain that I'm sure it will easily captivate you dahil sa bumabagay nitong ambience para sa restaurant. So for those who are asking, they're open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. at tuwing gabi meron din silang acoustic session na lalong magpapagana sa inyo kumain. So speaking of food, ito na yung food natin na in order. I am with my family kaya ang food namin dito ay for sharing. So we have chop suey, we have buttered chicken, calamari, and then ito, order din kami ng soup for appetizers. And then of course, we also have this cheesy baked bangus para dun sa mga kasama namin na nag-aalangan kumain ng fatty food. At mayroon din kami rito grilled tuna belly na may kasamang atsara, and of course yung kanyang sausawan. So ito, let's dine in and enjoy. And from here on, I will be sharing yung mga pictures and videos that I took para makita ninyo ng buo yung kanilang place, and hopefully it will attract you to go here and experience Alvarez Park Cafe.